Meet the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, your new intelligent cleaning companion that's about to revolutionize the way you think about home maintenance. This isn't just a robot vacuum. It's a cleaning powerhouse that vacuums, mops, and takes care of itself, all while looking impossibly sleek. With an astounding 10,000 pascals of suction power and a dual roller design, it leaves no dust behind. And thanks to its Vibiz 3.0 Sonic Mopping System, stubborn stains don't stand a chance. The Flexi Arm design side brush and extra edge mop reach those tricky corners and edges, getting as close as 1.68 millimeters to your walls. That's corner-to-edge deep cleaning like you've never seen before. But here's where it gets really exciting. The all-in-one dock is like your robot's personal butler. It empties the dustbin, washes the mop with hot water, refills the water tank, and even dispenses detergent. And yes, it dries the mop too. It's truly set it and forget it cleaning. With Reactive AI 2.0, this smart cleaner recognizes and avoids up to 73 different objects. Shoes, pet waste, even floor mirrors, nothing trips up this clever bot. Control it all from your smartphone, or simply say "Hello Rocky" to give voice commands. You can even video call your pets while you're away. Speaking of pets, the S8 MaxV Ultra will even snap adorable photos of your furry friends during its cleaning rounds. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, it's not just a cleaner, it's a revolution in home care. Experience the future of clean. Get your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra on Amazon today.